So I've seen this video at least 4 times, and I told myself if I see it one more time, I'm gonna make it. And obviously I saw it one more time. We're doing a Chick-fil-A crunch wrap because it just looks so good. Now I want to make one. So we're doing delivered from Chick-fil-A by DoorDash. So what's going to be? Let's go over the ingredients. What's going in this crunch wrap? We're talking the waffle fries. We're gonna put some Chick-fil-A sauce on there. I got one spicy sandwich, and then I got a regular sandwich. I might just do the spicy. I've never seen anybody do the spicy before. The classic mac and cheese. I saw them put cheese on it. Also, this video's from TikTok, which I hate, but they had a good idea. So we got some Colby Jack cheese. I couldn't find the flat, already fried corn tortillas. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. Of course, you need the biggest tortillas you could find. These were the biggest ones. They're the burrito ones. So what you're gonna wanna do, burrito-wise, you find a really good one, cool, microwave it. We're gonna microwave it for like 10 seconds. That's 1 minute. I didn't mean to do that. 10 seconds. Beautiful. That makes it more pliable. Spicy chicken sandwich. Boom. We're saving those. Saving the pickles. Get that out of here. Obviously, we need to cut these up into small pieces to put on the crunch wrap. See this knife ability that I have? All right. You curl the fingers in so you don't cut them off. So beautiful. We need to cut up the fries too. Let's go. I don't think I'm gonna put all of these in here because that would be obnoxious. Looks like a mess. Let's save that sandwich for later. Now we take our tortilla, the cheese, probably 2 slices, because why not? We're going with 1 slice. I don't think this is a big enough tortilla. Now we're gonna try these. I don't know if these work. Also, they don't kind of go with the food that we're making, but whatever. They were like $1.99, I don't care. We only need 1, just take 1, snap it in half. You ready? You ready? All right, we're gonna lay that down right there. Nope, we're not gonna lay it down right there. You see how I'm doing this all on the cuff right now? I'm gonna throw that chicken down. Mac and cheese, I should have gotten a small. This is too much mac and cheese. In the video, he just kind of dumped the whole thing on there and there's no way this is gonna fit. Look at this. This is beautiful. That is for later. Look at that. I'm throwing pickles on. Boop. The French fries. Smash them down onto it. This looks like a monstrosity. Then, bow, we got the Chick-fil-A sauce. Then, so it doesn't fall out everywhere, we're gonna put this right on top. Oh yeah. Look at that. Now we're gonna try and wrap this. It's probably not gonna work. But if you watch the fold, if you fold that down and then you fold this down, it just kind of covers it up. And that's how you do a crunch wrap. Oh, look at this mess. This is pretty great. Look, it's a crunch. It's a crunch wrap. All right, I figured out a way to keep it the way it is while this panini press heats up. I just put a plate on top. See? Oh my gosh, it looks kind of a mess, but whatever, dude. It's gonna be fine. And this is how we're gonna transfer it to the panini press that I'm going to now spray a little olive oil so it doesn't stick. We're gonna take this with the paper plate. Now I can transfer it without burning myself. Watch. Bam. I'm the smartest boy alive. And now, in reality, this is such trash food that we're just waiting for the cheese to melt. We're just waiting for it to warm up. There's no, make sure that you cook it for 10 minutes on 350, it doesn't matter. It's all cooked food, it's all garbage. But it smells amazing and it's probably gonna be great. So, here we go. Wow, look how beautiful it looks. I'm gonna use my sketchy paper plate idea to get it off of here. Oh, look how versatile. And It's beautiful. Whatever, dude. We're gonna keep it on this side. All right, let's cut into it. Let's see if it's worth anything. Big reveal. Big reveal time. And gosh, just take a look at that. Could you just look at it? Would you just look at it? This is quality. This is quality food right here. Oh, it smells like Chick-fil-A sauce. You know what I need to do right now? I need to make a thumbnail. All right, let's go. Let's go. Before we go, I need to let you guys know of the best sauce at Chick-fil-A. The honey roasted barbecue. Everybody wants to say it's Chick-fil-A sauce or Polynesian sauce or whatever bull crap sauce you guys like to talk about. You're wrong, because it's the honey roasted barbecue. That's just what it is. You guys need to accept it, and it's going on this masterpiece. A little sauce drizzle. You ready? From way too high. Look at that. That's too much sauce. Oops. Whatever. I did it for the video. I need to test it again. But yeah, it's just as you'd expect. It's amazing. It's everything great from Chick-fil-A put into a tortilla. Like, was I expecting anything less? Like, was I supposed to be grossed out or something? No. And also the addition of this tortilla, the crunchy taco shell, is a great addition. Because one, it holds in everything when you fold it. You don't have to do it like have stuff fall out like a peasant. But it also adds a bite, some texture, and that corn tortilla flavor. That's great. You want to try it, brother? All right. Here you go. Yup. Because it's amazing. The softness of the macaroni, and then you got the spicy chicken, because we use the spicy chicken. You just ate the one of the two pickles that I had. Whatever, dude. So not a big deal. And yeah, so it's amazing. My advice to you is to make this, because why wouldn't you want to make this? Again, your kid come home, or I guess they wouldn't come home from school. Your kid's having a bad day from school because you were yelling at them. Make them this. It'll make them feel better. Every kid loves Chick-fil-A. Who doesn't? So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, share, subscribe. We hit 500 from the last video when I asked you guys to help me hit 500. We hit 500. Now help me hit 1,000 subscribers. I would say let's hit 1,000,000, but help me with 1,000 first, all right? Let's get to 1,000 before we move on up from there. But thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.